1 of 14.
Hi, it's IDKLDL again. And today, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a doorbell that repeats itself. And if you don't subscribe, you will die. Like this creeper. Oh, never mind. So the items you need
Editing.
are note blocks.
N-O-T-E. Note block. 64. Not. No. N.
Repeating.
R-E-A.
Repeaters.
P-E. Read. Ria. Re. P-E. Redstone repeater.
Right.
14. 64.
And
Red. Re. R. L.
levers,
E.
of course.
V. E. R. Lever.
Buttons,
L. B. U. T. O. O. Buto. But. Oat button. 64. Spawn villager. 64. Oak button. 46 of 48. Boo. B.
Probably some wood planks
W. O. D.
if you want to
Space.
make that out of
Wood. Woo. Whoa. W. P. L. A. Oak planks. 14 of 129. 64.
And hold on,
White
as you
wool.
can see,
126 of
battery
129.
is on 5%, so give me a sec to and there. So now what I am only missing is probably some wood, because you would probably want to make
P. L. P.
your house
W.
out of
O.
wood
D.
for
Whoa.
like a,
O. D.
for like
Oak
a
wood.
beginner
14 of
house.
56.
Wood.
Space. Wood. Woo. Whoa. W. M. A. P. L. Map.
Oh,
Ma.
I forgot.
M.
This
Cobblestone.
isn't the
Oak.
game I play. This is Minecraft. And
Deep.
where are you?
Ho. Music.
Okay,
W.
I'm just gonna
O.
search it up.
D. Gray wool. 50. Oak wood. 4. Oak wood. 14 of
This is
56.
oak wood, and
Netherite sword.
that's
52 of
probably
50.
it.
Black wooden hoe. Wooden hoe. 6 wooden 13 wooden player view. 1 of 14.
another
Gray
video.
wool. Tab. 410 of 422. On. Mossy stone brick. Close. Player view. 4 of 14.
I'm going to
Oak planks.
first
Note block.
step, you
Oak
wanna
planks.
make your house, right? So I'm just gonna crouch so I don't fall. You probably won't.
Tab.
And
Tech.
I'm gonna
Editing.
grass block.
G. R. A. A. Gra. S. Grass block. 30. Close. Player view. 6 of 14. Grass block. Oak planks.
First, you make your house, of course,
Note block.
and pretend your house was here.
Oak planks.
You would want
Oak
to make
wood.
this and place wood blocks here. If that's what normal people do. I'm not a normal person. I'm IDKLDL. So there. And now you
Oak
for
planks.
this place, because this would be your house, and you don't want any people getting in. And probably
Oak button.
this whole video isn't
Oak
just
planks.
about how to make a doorbell. So if you want to learn how to make a good security house, this is a good video for you. because the title is named How to Build a Good Security House. And the doorbell's just for the part to warn you if other people is coming in. There. And you'd probably want this place to get covered up because you really, this place is just to put
Redstone
the
repeater
repeaters and all that good stuff. And is this how you put it again? Yes, I think it's how you put it. Oh, never mind. Probably I was wrong. So
oak planks,
you'd put this here,
oak button,
and that would be the doorbell. It kind of blends in so that only your teammates could get to it, or
redstone repeater,
your friend. You can just tell them that it blends in and where it goes.
oak planks,
All that stuff and information. So you put the repeater there, the
note block
here, and oh, never mind. It doesn't work? Hold a second. Yep. Well. Yeah.
oak
I've
planks,
figured out how to make a repeating doorbell, so forgive me, everyone. And here. Oh, I'm gonna destroy this one there. And there. Boom. And
tab,
you probably
close,
want
player
the
view,
box for
chat,
that.
text box,
You'd put
5,
in
editing, slash, chat, GIVE, space, at, S, space,
and do not
STRUCTURE.
place space. You will place
Underscore.
this sign. I don't know what it's called. And
BLOCK slash player view 6 tab 1 close player view 6 of 14 structure block,
so you can place it here.
back button 1 of 19 toggle 11 of 19 toggle 12 toggle 12 of back player view 2 back but detect button toggle back player view 2 of 14.
And yeah, so thank you for watching and please subscribe. Thank you and goodbye. This is IDKLDL again, if you forgot. And thank you for watching. Bye.